Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. After a long time, again, I'm talking about Stellar XLM token, guys. What's going on in the XLM? What's the price changes occur? And guys, we are also going to do a technical analysis, trying to detect the next move of Stellar XLM. Is guys, in the future, the price of Stellar will pump or dump? We discuss these all things, guys, so just keep watch this video complete. And guys, if you are new in my channel or if you don't subscribe our channel, so kindly first of all subscribe now our channel for more news and update videos, guys. At this time, if you talk about the right now price of Stellar in the market, so 0.353599194 USD dollar, that is the currently live price of Stellar in the market, guys. And guys, you can see only last 1 hour update is positive. The last 1 day changes is negative 3.53% negative. Last 1 week and last 1 hour, these changes is positive, guys. Let me show you the price chart of Stellar XLM. You can see here obviously the price very highly pump, unbelievable, guys. It's going to the moon, guys. Stellar XLM, you know what, in October I found a lot of coin is going profitable for all of you guys. So invest in anyone, but you have to alert in the market, guys. If you are not alert in the market, if you're not active in the market, so I recommend that you now hold for long term. Forget it, just invest and forget it. After 1 month, after 2 months, after 1 year, check the update. You hope you will be in a profit, guys. So there is the way to make money in a crypto, guys. Anyways, guys, now if you talk about the Stellar XLM price update, so you can see a positive 5.29%. The price change is positive in the last 7 days, guys. That's mean that people are getting profit from Stellar in last 7 days, guys. So now, guys, if we talk about the future, so on the basis of this update, I believe guys that now possibilities, you can see already this time the price pump in the latest situation, the price jump again. Here possibilities that the price again start positive again, positive changes, guys. So now on the basis of this update, I recommend for all of you to hold for long time. Hope you will get a huge profit. Anyways, what's your opinion, what's your prediction about Stellar? Also share in the comment box and don't forget to subscribe channel.